Hey everybody, Chris Americos here, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about something that's called the negative infinitive. The negative infinitive is basically how we can use an infinitive to say the opposite of what the infinitive usually means. Maybe you know a famous phrase by Shakespeare, to be or not to be. That's an interesting question, but really this phrase helps us remember how to use a negative infinitive. You see, I want to be a good teacher, and I want not to be a bad teacher. When I say I want not to be a bad teacher, this part of the sentence, not to be, is called the negative infinitive. And because I use the verb want, I have to use an infinitive. But sometimes after verbs, we don't use the infinitive, we use the gerund. A gerund is basically when we say ing. It's a little more complicated than that, but it's easiest to remember it like this. And gerunds can also be positive or negative. So after the verb enjoy, we use a gerund, and I might say, I enjoy being a great teacher. And I might say, I enjoy not being a bad teacher. So we have a negative infinitive, but we also have a negative gerund. Now, if you want to learn more about when we use infinitives and gerunds, then go back to my channel and watch my video on infinitives and gerunds. But I hope this video helps you understand what a negative infinitive is and what a negative gerund is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press like, press subscribe, and write a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.